If there is slush, rocky, or an unpaved road in your itinerary, most of you would first think of the mighty Himalayan from Royal Enfield. And with good cause. With its 220 mm ground clearance, high seat position, long travel suspension, high mudguard and stock off-road tires, it naturally comes to mind as a popular choice for taming the road less traveled. The BS6 Himalayan from Royal Enfield has stayed true to its nature while mostly getting a more cosmetic update from the BS4 version. Of course, off-roading means getting out from where you live, going to a place where you can really test the performance of your machine and build your own experience. You obviously need to have a few essential accessories to make that trip a success. For example, you'll maybe need to carry a tool set or equipment for camping. If you're staying the night, change of clothes, an extra pair of shoes, it could be anything. Basically things that can fit into a supply bag to make your ride as hassle-free as possible. How to carry this luggage? Well, let us help you with that. Presenting the all-new Sierra carrier plate and Brumby saddle stay for the Himalayan BS6. Made from MS with an OEM fitting design, you can install this on your bike with just the right Allen key set. The Sierra carrier plate design is inspired by the contours of a mountain, keeping in mind the high altitude and rough terrain capabilities of the Himalayan. You can load up to a maximum of 7 kgs onto the plate, either by mounting a top box or for those who want to keep it traditional, bungee your bag onto it. For those who want to carry more luggage for longer trips or perhaps carrying for the pillion as well, you can easily mount your saddlebag on the Brumby saddle stay. Made from MS as well, this is a clean design made to blend in with your bike's look rather than take attention away from it. OEM fitting with this as well, aligning the mounts with the provision that already comes from the manufacturer. And we aren't done yet. Let's have a look at the pillion comfort. Even though the Himalayan BS6 comes with enough cushion on its seat, those long rides can still take a toll, especially on a co-traveler. To add to their comfort, we introduced the Airman backrest. Made with breathable foam wrapped in soft leather and supported by an MS mount, your pillion can now enjoy that ride safely and comfortably just as you do. Traveling also involves navigating your route using the map on your phone. The general pattern is to mount your mobile holder onto the handle. Now, what happens here is every time you need to look at your phone, you have to take your eyes off the road. Let us introduce the Yonder GPS mount. You can now secure your mobile holder onto this mount and have the best visual position to use your navigation. Why? Because you can see the mount is designed to be placed above your gauges and the sides are wide enough to allow you unobstructed view through your visor. It is a direct fit and you no longer have to take your eyes off the road to look at your navigation. The crash guard is one of the most vital parts to protect yourself and your engine. A new crash guard for the BS6 is made out of MS. It covers the most vital parts of your engine and also protects the rider in case of a fall. This crash guard comes with the option of a slider, and like the other accessories that we provide, it is an OEM fit. Though all the products mentioned in this video can be installed DIY, we do recommend that the crash guard be installed with the assistance of a mechanic since it covers the heart of your bike